Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting dry rice husk and removing visible contaminants. Wet or dirty husk won't burn uniformly. Once done, divide into 5 10 kg batches so heat distributes evenly. This reduces unburned carbon. Make sure you wear a mask, gloves, and eye protection, and choose an open, ventilated outdoor spot. Wind direction matters. You'll also position a metal drum or pit and keep water and a fire extinguisher at hand, because controlled combustion is essential for quality ash. You load thin layers of husk into a perforated drum to allow steady airflow. Keep each layer about 2-4 cm so combustion is even. Once lit with kindling, manage the burn to maintain a low, steady flame for roughly 3-4 hours. This produces amorphous silica rather than crystalline forms. Make sure to stir gently with a metal rod every 30-60 minutes to expose fresh material and eject large charcoal pieces. Maintain temperatures below 600 degrees to preserve reactive ash properties. You extinguish the hot ash by quenching with water to halt combustion immediately, then allow the material to cool completely. This prevents reignition and preserves structure. Once cooled, sieve the ash to remove larger charred fragments and, if a finer product is required, grind to a uniform powder. Make sure to store the final rice husk ash in a dry, sealed container to avoid moisture uptake. If the ash appears gray or black, reburn at a controlled low temperature to reduce residual carbon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.